Cup not locking properly on your Ninja Blast? Fix it fast. If your Ninja Blast won't start and the white light is flashing, the cup likely isn't locked in right. Here's how to fix it. 1. Line up the arrows. There's a small arrow on the cup and one on the motor base. Make sure they're aligned before twisting the cup into place. If they're off even slightly, the blender won't run. 2. Twist until you hear the click. Once the arrows are lined up, twist the cup clockwise until you hear or feel a soft click. That means the safety lock is engaged. 3. Check for debris around the threads. If smoothie residue is stuck around the cup or base, it can block the connection. Use a narrow cleaning brush to scrub around the threads and inside the grooves. We've linked a set below that fits perfectly for this. 4. Don't force it. If the cup still won't twist in easily, double check that nothing is blocking the rim or threads. Forcing it can damage the plastic and void the warranty. If your cup locks in clean and smooth, the flashing light should stop and your blender will work as normal. If not, reach out to Ninja Support using the link below. And if you want to keep your cup and base locking like new, check out the brush set we've linked. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.